Teach pendants are a vital component of any robotic system, and as the most often handled piece of equipment, they also have the highest rate of failure. When you need a teach pendant refurbished, you can trust K&S Services. Founded in 1982, we're an ISO-certified industrial repair company known for our quality, reliability, and best-in-class pricing and lead times. Our factory-trained team can completely refurbish teach pendants from manufacturers like Fanuc, ABB, Kuka, Yaskawa Motoman, and Kamau. Visit kns.com to view our complete line card. All teach pendants are diagnosed, refurbished, and system tested in our own robot test lab. While other companies may simply clean damaged cases, glue cracks, and only replace faulty internal components, K&S performs a complete refurbishment to ensure each pendant will stand up to the rigors of operation and human handling. We'll repair or replace all damaged components, including front and rear cases, screens, e-stop switches, hand straps, cables, connectors, overlays, and control boards. Our standard turnaround time is 7 to 10 days, but we do offer expedited services for emergencies. All progress can be tracked in our online customer web portal. After repairs are finished, we test your teach pendant with the appropriate robot and end-of-arm load. When you receive your newly repaired component, you will also receive a test report as well as a 12-month in-service warranty. Reduce downtime with help from K&S Services. Call or visit us online today to request your free evaluation. Be sure to ask us about our exchange program.